Print on demand is a lot of fun and it can be really, really lucrative. And hopefully by now you've seen my 2 videos where I talk about why you should start print on demand. In the first video, I gave a more pessimistic approach to the whole print on demand business. And in the second video, I gave a more optimistic approach to the whole business so you could see both sides of the story. But for now, in this video, I want to give you an alternative to print on demand. Let's see if this business can replace print on demand, or if you don't want to replace your print on demand business, can it add to it? If you are working full time and maybe you only have 1 hour to spare in the day, how do you know print on demand is the right path for you? Hopefully after watching this video, you'll be able to make a more informed decision whether or not print on demand is the right choice, or if you should be spending your hour doing something else. And what should that something else be? Affiliate marketing. Now, I've made a whole bunch of videos about affiliate marketing in the past, and this video specifically, I want to talk about affiliate marketing as if it's replacing or, as well as your print on demand business. The real question is, can affiliate marketing replace your print on demand business? Meaning, can it make as much money? Can it be as enjoyable? And can it take the same amount of time? Well, firstly, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when a company pays you a commission to drive them new customers. So for example, if you have person A and person B, and person A says to person B, you should go and check out this company, here's a link, they're really cool. And then person B purchases through person A's link, right? That person A would have got a referral, and because of that referral, they would have received some sort of commission from the company, be it 5%, 10%, 50%, it all depends on the company that you end up referring. Now, is this something you can do? Well, I personally think that someone who has an interest in writing, videoing, maybe reviewing, or any of those things could be really, really good at affiliate marketing. And in my opinion, you have 2 types of affiliate marketers. 1, those that sell everything just to get money regardless of what the product is. Literally, doesn't matter what they're selling, they could sell anything as long as they're making some money. And 2, someone who only sells what they use themselves and what they truly believe in. This is generally less common in the affiliate marketing world because most people want to make as much money as physically possible. And when you're limiting yourself to a couple of companies that you use and you actually like, you're not going to make as much money. However, I think it's really, really important. And I probably get, on average 1 to 5 emails every single day asking if I can promote their tool. And the majority of the time I have to say, no, I don't use your tool. I don't like your tool, and I don't think I would ever use your tool. So why on earth would I go and tell everyone who's watching my videos who trusts what I have to say, why would I tell them to use your tool, right? So it's really, if you want to be that person, and I really think you should, because it's just more honest, it's more genuine, and people will like you for it when they realize what you're doing, right? I think it's just so much better. That way you're going to be making a bit less money, which is fair, but you'll be able to be doing this business with a much better conscience, and it's a better thing to do. Well, there are a few ways to do affiliate marketing, and this is why I said it will be really beneficial if you're into writing or videoing or something like that, because in my opinion, well, the best way, and I wouldn't say it's the best way, but the way that I'm enjoying the most is by videoing and creating videos, reviews of companies, using companies, and showing you what I think of them, and giving my experience, my first-hand experience. That is how I like to do affiliate marketing, and I like to put the links in the description of my YouTube videos. Now, as well as that, you've got someone like my brother who's amazing at writing, way better at writing than he is at videoing. So he likes to create articles and blogs and top 10 lists and all these different things. And in those articles and blogs, he puts links to the products. It works for both of us, and they can both be just as lucrative as each other. Now, you also have another type of person, and this is an affiliate marketer. This is the official affiliate marketer, and this is someone who once finds a good deal, not only will they create a video or an article or something, they will also create advertisements on Google or Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, leading someone to their sales page or to their unique opt-in page. When in that opt-in page, a customer will see all the information, and then they will then be taken to the actual company's page where they can decide if they want to buy or not. If they buy, that affiliate marketer gets the commission. If they don't buy, that affiliate marketer could still have their email on their email list because they would have put their email in the opt-in page. So for the marketer, it's not really a win-win, but it's like a win kind of win, because if someone doesn't buy, they can still follow up with them with an email asking them why they didn't buy and seeing if they could somehow get the sale. Whereas if you're doing what I do, which is like create videos and all that kind of stuff, if someone doesn't want it, right, they click the link and they don't follow through, they don't buy the tool, they don't buy the product, I have no idea who clicked the link. If someone landed on the page and then exited the page without buying anything, I'm not tracking any of that, right? So it's two very different ways of doing it, which is why I think the person who's tracking everything is the more official affiliate marketer. Now, if you want to do it the first way, which is the way I was talking about with the video or the writing, there are a few different ways you can do this. So I'm going to give you 3. The first thing you could do is you could start a blog. You could either start a blog on your own website, be it WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, Zyro, it doesn't really matter. And as well as that, you could also post articles on platforms like Medium or LinkedIn or even Quora, just to get the word out there, just to get your writing out there. And hopefully it will lead to a few people clicking and then eventually, landing on a sales page of some sort and buying through your link. The second way is to create a YouTube channel and do product reviews and product tutorials. I think this way is one of the best because you connect with the person that is watching you so well. They really see what it's like. And in terms of convincing them to buy, well, you don't really have to convince them because they're seeing the product being used right then and there, and they can decide for themselves if they like it or if they don't like it. And the third way is to start another form of social media like Instagram or TikTok. I would lean heavily towards TikTok at this point, just because growing an audience on TikTok is so flipping easy. You could create 2 TikToks every single day and you'll probably be on a few 100,000 followers in a couple of months, providing your content is good, actually good content. But I know so many people who have done this, so that's why I would lean heavily towards TikTok. And you can easily be an affiliate marketer with TikTok because you can have a link tree in your bio, in your description, and they can go and buy anything you're talking about. Make sure to stay quite niche. You don't want to be going from reviewing Photoshop to then reviewing the latest and greatest gardening equipment. They just don't really mix unless, they don't mix. So really try and stay niche. And the reason I picked this specific business, affiliate marketing, to see whether or not it could replace print on demand is because I feel that they're actually very, very similar. Both, you want to kind of stay niche with. Both can take a really long time once you've actually put the work in to see any results. For example, with print on demand, you can create a design and upload it and maybe not see sales for a couple of months. 6 months down the line, you can start getting sales from a t-shirt and just be like, whoa, I completely forgot I made that. The same thing with affiliate marketing. I can create a review video on, the iPhone 12 Pro and really nothing. It might not take off. It might not get any clicks to the link in the description, but one day it might take off, and 6 months down the line, it could get lots and lots of clicks and lots of sales, and then the affiliate commission will start rolling in. And that's why I think they are so linked, just because, there's that element of you're putting the effort in now, but you're not expecting immediate results. So you'll have that right mindset that you have in print on demand. You can easily shift it for affiliate marketing as well. All you really have to do with affiliate marketing is share your experience with that product or tool or whatever it is you're talking about. Now, if you're wondering, well, there's thousands of people sharing their experiences. Why on earth would I be any different? Well, your experiences are totally unique to you. The feelings I have about Photoshop, the way I like to use it, and all the thoughts I have on Photoshop will not be the same as anyone else. Yes, I might have similar thoughts to someone else, but I'm not going to have the exact same thoughts across the board as someone else. That is where you come in and you're unique, and someone will want to come and watch your experience with it. They'll want to see what you have to say about it, because I don't know about you, but when I'm looking to buy something new, a phone, a TV, anything, a camera, I won't just watch one YouTuber's review. I'll watch 5 or 6 different reviews on the same camera, because I'm always interested in seeing lots of different opinions on something, so I can kind of merge them together, buy the camera, and now potentially even form my own opinion on it. So definitely don't think, this is oversaturated. There's plenty of space for you to enter this market. So where can you find affiliate products to actually promote? Well, firstly, number 1, just look around you. What is around you that you use on a daily basis? I've got my laptop here, my iPad here, my phone, my sunglasses are over there. I've got my electric drill over there. Everything can turn into an affiliate product in a way, because you've got the Amazon Associates program where everything on Amazon, you can link to it, pretty much everything on Amazon, you can link to it, someone can buy it, and you can get some affiliate commission from that product. So just think about what you use on a daily basis and see if you could create reviews about it, videos about it, TikToks about it, hype about it. And if you really want, if a family member is messaging you saying, hey, what's that laptop you have? I wanted to get it. Send them your affiliate link. Why not? I've started to get into the habit now of, because I've got the Amazon Associates thing set up on my phone as well, whenever I copy a link on my app, on the Amazon app, it says, do you want to copy the normal URL or the Associates URL? And I always copy the Associates URL, because why not? And only a few people have messaged me back being like, are you really trying to make some money off me buying this product right now? I once sent it to my brother, and he also is in affiliate marketing. So he replied to me being like, what are you doing? I wanted the real link. Why are you making some money off me buying this thing? I was like, I don't know. It's just the first thing that I clicked, right? So you could do that happily, and that's just the first way to find things to actually become an affiliate for. The second is the Amazon Associates program, which I just mentioned, but you can take it a step further. And if you have a YouTube channel all about tech, all about gardening, all about skateboarding, and you're wondering, can you find any product? Just have a look on Amazon. Anything on Amazon with the Associates program, you can get a special link. You could put it in the description in your video, or in your link tree, or in your article, and you'll be able to make a bit of commission from that. And as well as using Amazon, if you have a specific niche related genre that you're in, let's say you're in skateboarding, you could probably message a few skateboarding companies and ask them if they could set up some sort of thing where you drive them traffic and you get some affiliate commission from it if they don't already have something set up. And then number 3 is you've got middlemen sites where you can actually find a whole host of affiliate deals. Like, you've got Partner Stack, and you've got ClickBank, and you've got all these different websites where you can actually find affiliate deals that are on the website. They do all the tracking. They're basically the middlemen. They host the company's affiliate offer. You sign up for that platform, and then you add those offers to your dashboard, and then you get special links which you can share around, and anyone who buys, it will automatically be generated in your dashboard, and you'll be able to see it all in your Partner Stack dashboard, let's say. So there are a lot of companies like that act as middlemen. So finally, where do you begin? And instead of actually telling you where to begin in this video, I wanted to make sure that you actually enjoyed this topic, and this was a consideration for you that you wanted to potentially go into print on demand. So if you're wondering where to begin and you want to see a part 2 and potentially a part 3 and a lot more content on affiliate marketing, just let me know in the comments down below, and I will happily make more videos for you. I've got so many planned out. I just don't know if people are interested in learning about affiliate marketing, or if you just want to learn about print on demand, or side hustles or something like that. And finally, I just want to say a massive thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Please smash that like button, and if you haven't already subscribed, please smash that subscribe button. And I keep saying and. If you have lasted this long, firstly, well done, thank you, I really appreciate it. But I have one question for you. I'm trying out a new mic. It's this one over here, and I don't know if it sounds any better, so let me know in the comments down below if you think this mic actually sounds better than my previous videos. I would really appreciate the feedback, and it would just help me, try and produce the best quality video, the best quality audio for you going forward. Thank you so much for that, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.